A warm wishes from us. And today we are going to see about the adaptive cruise control. And before going to see that, I request everyone kindly to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be receiving our videos frequently. Come, let us see what is adaptive cruise control. Let's go into the video. The adaptive cruise control is an intelligent form of cruise control that slows down and speeds up automatically to keep pace with the car in front of you. The driver sets the maximum speed just as with cruise control. Then a radar sensor watches for traffic ahead, that is in front of our vehicle. It locks onto the car in a lane and instructs the car to stay with 2, 3, or 4 seconds behind the person car ahead of it. Adaptive cruise control mechanism is an advanced version of the available cruise control mechanism, that is the driver assistance system for road vehicles that automatically adjusts the vehicle speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicles. As of 2019, it is also called by 20 unique names that describes that basic functionality. It is also known as dynamic cruise control. In this adaptive cruise control, the control is based on the sensor information from the onboard sensors. Such systems may use a radar or laser sensor or a camera setup, allowing the vehicle to brake when it detects the car as approaching another vehicle ahead, then accelerates by itself when the traffic allows it to do so. It is a technology that is widely regarded as a key component of future generations of intelligent cars, that is, driverless cars. They impact driver safety and convenience as well as increasing road capacity by maintaining optimal separation between vehicles and reducing driver errors. The vehicles with the autonomous cruise control are considered as a level 1 autonomous car when combined with another driver assistant feature such as a lane centering. Then the vehicle is considered to a level 2 autonomous cars. The adaptive cruise control is also called as active cruise control, autonomous cruise control, intelligent cruise control, or radar cruise control. This is the case because distance is measured by a small radar unit behind the front grille or under the bumper. Some units employ a laser, while Subaru uses an optical system based on stereoscopic cameras. Regardless of the technology, the autonomous cruise control works day and night, but its abilities are hampered by heavy rain, fog, or snow. The adaptive cruise control is a crucial part of self-driving cars of the new future. On an autonomous driving car, the ACC needs to track the car in front but also cars in adjacent lanes. In case of a lane, change becomes necessary. The adaptive cruise control functions like a sensor technology that is installed within vehicles such as the cameras, lasers, and even the radar equipments. This creates an idea of how close one car is to another so that the accidents can be avoided or other objects on the roadway. For this reason, the adaptive cruise control is the basis for future car intelligence. The sensor technology that is used in this ACC allows the car to detect and warn the driver about the potential about the forward collisions. When this happens, a red light begins to flash and phrase brake now appears on the dashboard to help the driver to slow down their vehicle. There might also be an audible warning. There are many advantages by using this ACC, that is, it includes an increase in road safety as cars with this technology will keep the adequate spacing between each cars. This prevents the unavoidable accidents. These space mindful features will also help prevent accidents that result from an obstructed view or close following distance. By this way, the ACC will also help to maximize traffic flow because of its spatial awareness. As a driver, you don't have to worry about your speed and instead you can focus on what is going around you. This adaptive cruise control has major advantages, but it has some of the limitations too. One of the main faults in the system is the fact that it is not entirely autonomous. The driver of the vehicle still needs to practice safe driving habits that will work in tandem with this technology to produce the best results. Similarly, adverse weather conditions like snow, rain, or fog might confuse the system's sensor as well as environmental facts. At present, this adaptive cruise control has been installed in high-end cars. Soon, in all the low-end cars, it will also be installed with this ACC. With this, we come to an end of our video session. I hope we have given the enough information about the adaptive cruise control. If you have any comments, please do comments in our comment section. Thank you.